my name is Genevieve, and I'm going to be reading A Tale of Mermaid Manners. Once a mermaid with good manners invited her friends to tea. "Thank you," they said to their host. "What a lovely place to be." "Please help yourself," said the hostess as she served the bites to eat. "These are delicious," said her guest. "You have made a perfect treat." The guests brought presents for their host, who opened every one. "Thank you," said the mermaid. "I am so glad you are having fun." "You're welcome," said the guest, "and thank you for this afternoon." When the party ended, the mermaid said, "Please come back soon." The end. I hope you like this. Please do, and goodbye.